We're in Macomb Township, Michigan, installing a French drain system. This is a perimeter drain. It goes across the backyard to a storm drain catch basin, and we're also doing the side yard where there's a high concentration of water collected in this greenbelt area, and it's always wet. This elevated patio, because of the amount of material to lift a patio like this and retain a patio like this, after a long day of rain, water will run out of that material for days and sometimes weeks. So we're also doing a French drain around the elevated patio. Now, as a reminder, because of all our videos, we always preach a really good heavy filter fabric to line the entire trench, to wrap all the stone and pipe as one, and to not use a pipe with a sock on it. You want a pipe that has a lot of inlet so it can move a lot of water. For a French drain system done right the first time, give us a call.